Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Guys, in this video, we are going to see a small project or exercise related to React.js, which is going to improve your skills and your understanding on the concept of conditional rendering in React.js. Okay, so before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel as I regularly post these kinds of helpful videos for all of you. So let's get started with today's problem statement. Let's see what we need to perform in today's exercise, okay, or project. See, what we need is we need to create a login or logout system where the user sees a login button when they are logged out and the user sees a logout button when they are logged in. Clicking on the button toggles the authentication state. We will use state to manage the authentication status. Okay, so basically if you are not getting what we are going to build, okay, I'll show you quickly. So see, we are going to build something like this. Okay, can you see in this screen? So we are going to show a button. Okay, if someone clicks on this button, okay, what is going to show? It will going to show you are logged in. Initially it will show log like this type, because currently initially you are logged out, right? So it will show a login button and it will show a message that you are currently logged out. Okay, and when you will click on this, the button will change to log out because now you are currently logged in, and the message will also change that you are logged in. Okay, let's see how can we create this one. So this is basically a concept of conditional rendering in React.js. Okay, so see, what we have done is we have created a component auth button. Okay, and this component only we are going to call in our app.js. Okay, and I have like written basic CSS. Okay, and I am importing that CSS file here. Okay, you will get all the code in the description box. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. So see, here what we are doing, we are creating a state. Okay, this is the main concept that we are using here, that this state basically stores the current state, that what is the current state of our application. Are we logged out or are we logged in? So see, I have taken a state called as is logged in and then set is logged in, and initially I am setting the state as false. False means what? Is logged in is false, which means I am not logged in currently. Okay, this means that. And if is logged in is true, which means I am logged in currently. Okay, then let's go to our structure of the code. So see, here I'm showing the h2 message, just simple message heading. Okay, welcome to ease access ease basically is the name of our project, we can say. Then we are showing a button. Okay, and this button is showing the login or logout value at a time. Let's understand how it is showing login or logout value. So see, what we are doing is, if is logged in value is true, then we have to show logout. If is logged in value is false, then we have to show login. Okay, so as we saw that initially we have given the value as false, that is why it is showing as login, right? And see, this is basically the class name. Okay, so this is just for styling purpose we are giving. And then we have this one, on click. Now on click event handler, what it will do, it whenever I click on this button, something should happen. So what it will do is, handle toggle is the function name that I have given. So see, in handle toggle function, what I am doing is set is logged into the opposite value. So if it is true if it is false currently, so set it to true, and if it is true, then set it to false. Okay, and same is logged in conditional rendering I am doing in the text message also, that if is logged in is false, which means I am currently logged down, so show that this one. Okay, that you are logged out. And if is logged in is true, which means I am logged in, so show this message, right? Hope you have understood the entire concept. The concept is very basic, which is of conditional rendering. So initially, see, our value is false, so I'm getting this login and you are logged out. As soon as I click on it, the value will become true, and when it will become true, I will get the message as log out, and then you are logged in, which means currently I am logged into my app. Again, when I click on log out, I will get that previous state. So the state is changing from false to true, and then again from true to false. And in this way, if I keep on clicking, I will be logged out and logged in again and again. Hope it was easy to understand. And then simply we are calling our component in our app.js. So this is the basic implementation. Hope you have understood it. Okay, let's now see one exercise for all of you. So this is also based on conditional rendering only, since we have learned conditional rendering in this topic and in this video. This is the question for you, that is, what is the correct way to perform conditional rendering in React? There are 4 options given to you. You have to tell what is the correct answer of it and write down the answer of this in the comment box. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and to see more such videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel.